Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Tuesday, January 6, 2009. This morning I'd like to go through a little bit on what's been happening with Web Velocity. It's been a while since we've done a screencast on this, and you can see that I've got a new build here. There are a few visual glitches here. This is supposed to say available, as in what's available in my personal repository. The links up here have been made more like links. Instead of context clicking with the right mouse button, you just click with the left button like you normally would on a link. And you can see I'm currently hooked up to my personal repository. Let me just give you an idea how things are working now by building a small application against a database. So I'm going to say up here, I'm going to go to New Application, and I'm going to put my blog server. I'm going to do the standard blog demo. Now I'm going to go here to the database link. It's red because I haven't defined my database yet, and it comes in here and tells me that I haven't defined anything. So I'm going to pick Postgres. I'm going to come in and tell it that I need localhost. And you notice that it's splitting up a few things here to make things a little easier on you. So I'm going to tell it the Postgres database. The schema is public. And now I have to put in my username, which I just went with default. The password, test the login. Now it'll tell me it's configured. Now at this point I want to go over from the schema. It'll tell me what's in the database. So I go here to mappings. It's going to tell me that there's nothing mapped yet, but it gives me a listing of all the unmapped tables. So I'm going to pick the posts table and I say, go ahead and create a post mapping for me. Go ahead and give me all of these things. And then I'm going to pick comments and tell it to map that as well. Give me all of those things. So you can see I've got comment and post here. Now if I go ahead and click on post, you'll see that it's going to tell me what I've got mapped. And it's already mapped everything for me, including this foreign key over to comments. And I can hit the back button and things work fine. So I can go to comment and see that it will have mapped everything over there for me as well. I can see my mapping here as well. Now at this point, what I can do is I can go up here to the top and I can hit browse. And you see I've already got all of these links set up. So I can go to the posts page here and it'll show me that I've got a post in here already. Now things are a little compressed here because I've got this window down. And you see the comments are listed just as an ordered collection because I haven't told it to print anything. But you can see the format's a little different than what we've had before. If I click on this, my first post, you see I've got this down here. And again, comments are not coming in with the text because I haven't gone ahead and done anything with that. But I can go and hit the edit button and go there. I can hit cancel, go back here. And if I wanted to go back and change that so that the comments print, let me make one small change and I'll show you how that works. So if we want to change that so that that prints, what we need to do is go over here to classes, select class comment, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the source code, and I'm going to add a printing method here. And I'm going to change this print on to a stream next put all, and let's just put content. And I don't have to accept it because it auto accepts. And now if I come back over here to this side, and I hit edit, and then cancel, notice that it comes in and puts the comment there for me. So I've got my blog server, and you notice that the way this is presenting is a little different than the last time we did this. So if I go back out to the top, you'll notice there's this option here labeled filters. And if I go down here to templates, it's not going to show me any because I don't have any defined yet. But one of the things we'll have when we ship this, and one of the things you can define on your own, are templates to change the base look and feel by a styling. So we'll have that shipping when we go to product, but you can see the hints of where that's going right now. So that's about it for today. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll keep looking at Web Velocity as time goes by. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.